If you needed to make your first $1,000 online and you didn't have a following, a fancy degree, or tons of free time, what would you do? For most people, especially in the US, the easiest option is freelancing. It's real, flexible, and you don't need to be an expert to get started. In this video, I'll be sharing exactly how to land paying clients even if you have never made money online before. It's step-by-step, beginner-friendly, and totally doable with just your laptop and a solid internet connection. Let's dive in. Step 1. Pick a skill. Not something complicated, not something you need a course for, but something simple that real people, especially in the US, are already paying for. I'm mentioning some of the beginner-friendly skills that you can explore. Number 1. LinkedIn profile cleanups. Even with AI, a lot of people struggle to write about themselves. That's where you come in. You help them to fix their grammar, to write their about section, or a very strong first sentence. You basically clean up their LinkedIn profile and possibly optimize it for them. This alone is something you can charge $30 to $50 for as a beginner. And you're not ghostwriting, it's more like polishing. Skill number 2, YouTube thumbnail design. This one is underrated. Thumbnails are more important than titles on YouTube, and most creators don't want to deal with it. You can use Canva's pre-made templates, add bold text, and crop out backgrounds in seconds. Start by offering one thumbnail for $10 to $15, then scale with bundles. Skill number 3, short emails for small businesses. Think barbers, chiropractors, or personal trainers. They all need help writing simple, friendly emails. This can even lead to email marketing eventually. If you can just write like a human, you can help them. Skill number 4, Canva flyers and basic graphics. Local businesses love clean designs, but they don't have the time to make them. You can just use a Canva template and swap in their details and deliver something polished. These start around $20 and stack up fast. Number 5. Research gigs. Things like finding 10 apartment listings under $1,200 in Chicago. Someone is actually paying for that convenience. This is also great for VA-style gigs. So pick one of these skills, keep it simple. You're not trying to be fancy here. You're just trying to get your first yes. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Anika. I'm a creative entrepreneur. On this channel, I talk about making money online so you can create your space in the digital economy and achieve financial freedom. I share both practical strategies and mindset shifts that actually work. If that's your jam, take your shoes off and come on in by hitting that subscribe button. And hey, if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps to reach more people that need to watch this stuff. Step 2. Set up your freelance profile. Now that you have picked a skill, you need a place where people can actually find you and hire you. And the two best platforms to start are Fiverr and Upwork. Let's start with Fiverr. It's free, easy to set up, and built for beginners. You don't have to apply for jobs. Clients search for what they need and your gig shows up. When you create a gig, keep it simple and clear. Your title should say exactly what you offer. Like, I will rewrite your LinkedIn bio to make it stand out. Your description should tell buyers what they'll get and how you'll make their life easier. Use clean visuals. Canva works great for a quick thumbnail, and price low at first to build momentum. $10 to $30 is a good starting range. If you're more of a go-get-it type, then Upwork might be your best move. It does require you to create a full profile and apply directly to jobs. It might take a little bit of effort, but with time, it can scale fast. Start with a real photo, friendly and clear. Write a short, value-centered bio, not just I love editing. Instead, say, I help job seekers turn cluttered resumes into clean, confident documents that get callbacks. Keep it focused on how you help them. And any experience you have, even if it's from school, side gigs, or friends, ask for quick testimonials from people you have helped, even informally. And build a simple portfolio, a cleaned up resume sample, a Canva flyer, or Google Doc with a past project. All of that shows that you're serious. Once that's in place, start applying to jobs with short personal pitches. Don't overthink it. Just show them that you read the post, understand the task, and can deliver what they need without stress. Most beginners either write too much or too little. Just keep it simple, friendly, and always focus on the value that you can provide. If you want to go deeper on Upwork freelancing, I made an entire video walking through how I went from $0 per month to $5,000 per month freelancing specifically using Upwork. I'll link it down below so you can check it out after finishing this one. Alright, your profile is set, your gig is live. Now the mission is simple. Your first few dollars online makes all the difference because it turns this from an idea into real money. Here is how to do it fast. You need to apply to small, easy jobs, gigs that are under $50. Don't just go chasing $500 gigs right away because you need to build trust, speed, and reviews. On Upwork, filter for jobs posted in the last 24 hours under $100 and tagged for entry level. These are where clients are less picky and just want someone reliable. On Fiverr, if things feel slow at first, don't panic. New gigs take a few days to get traction. So here's the move. Go outside the platform. Promote yourself in real places where people need help. Join 1 to 2 Facebook groups related to small businesses, local services, or your skill. Search posts where people are asking for help and drop the link to your gig. Of course, do this with permission, or just DM 10 people who you know could use it. Something like, hey John, I just launched a Fiverr gig offering resume cleanups. If you or anyone you know needs one refreshed, I'm doing a launch discount for my first few clients. Would love to help. Most people wait too long to start reaching out. You don't need to feel ready. You just need one yes, then another, and then another one. Now, once you've got a few jobs under your belt, you need to find a way to turn these small wins into a steady climb toward your first $1,000 online. And no, you don't need to go viral, build a course, or build this huge brand. You just need to keep it simple and smart. Here's how to stack your earnings. Raise your price gradually. After every 3 to 5 clients, bump your rate by $5 to $10. If you started at $20 for a resume, raise it to $30, then $40. You're not just offering a service anymore. You've got proof. You've got reviews. You've got receipts. Number 2, add small upsells. Offer extras like 1-day delivery or like a second round of edits. On Fiverr especially, these can double your income per order without doubling your effort. Number 3, offer bundles or repeat packages. If someone likes your email writing, offer to do 3 emails instead of 1. If you made a flyer, suggest doing a matching Instagram post too. You're helping them look more professional and making more per job. Number 4, keep delivering 5-star service. Fast responses, clean work, friendly follow-ups. You'd be surprised how far that goes, especially with US-based clients who are used to freelancers ghosting them. You become the go-to just by showing up. Once you do this a few times, you realize how realistic this is. You're not chasing lottery ticket clients. You're just stacking small, repeatable wins until it hits that $1,000 mark. And trust me, it sneaks up faster than you think. When you're freelancing, speed matters, and so does quality. Here are tools that will help you deliver great work faster and also make you look more professional in the process. Number 1, Google Docs plus Grammarly. Most US clients love Google Docs. It's clean, shareable, and easy to comment on. Pair it with Grammarly, free or premium, and it will catch basic spelling and grammar slips before your client ever sees them. Number 2, ChatGPT. This one is a game changer. Use it to rephrase sentences, come up with bullet points, or get unstuck when writing. It won't do the work for you, but it will make your workflow 2x faster. Number 3, Canva. Canva is perfect for beginner design work, flyers, social posts, even polished resumes. It's all drag and drop. You don't need to be creative, just know how to tweak a clean template. Number 4, Loom. If you want to stand out, send a quick video showing what you did. US clients especially love this. It feels personal, clear, and shows that you care. Again, you don't need fancy gear or expensive apps to make your first $1,000. You just need a few smart apps and the drive to keep showing up. So that's how you make your first $1,000 online. If you're just starting out, watch the video that's showing up right now. It's going to really help you to set your expectations straight and also develop the right kind of mindsets that's going to help you when things get tough. Ciao for now. I'll see you there.